If a prospective customer calls to check if they can get service on your network, you can quickly qualify their address using SignalQual. On the homepage, expand the menu by clicking the hamburger icon next to the RSI logo. Under the SignalQual heading, select Map. Then, click on Qualify Site Point and select Simple Mode, the icons for which will turn blue. In the search bar, make sure the address drop-down is selected. Begin typing the address, and the properly formatted possible addresses will appear below the search window. Click the closest matching suggestion, and the map will recenter on that location with a blue droplet. Next, navigate to the upper right corner of the map and expand the layer control. Under the qualification layer, turn off Qualify APs to make the map cleaner and only view the path lines. Also turn on the aerial hybrid, serviceable locations, and fiber boundaries layers. This will allow you to see an aerial photo and roads around the address. This will also help show if the address location is placed on the proper building. The qualified tool will not display search results for any address serviced by fiber. The only indication available for an address that is serviceable by fiber will be shown on the map. If the blue droplet shows inside your fiber coverage boundary, you can service the customer with fiber. Green icons will be displayed on the map for the locations that we have already predetermined as serviceable. Click on the blue droplet to display a pop-up window that now shows a Qualify button. Click the Qualify button and a green bar saying Fetching Profiles will appear at the top of the map. This shows that the software is running real-time point-to-point studies on all of the APs that this address falls within range of. If a solid line appears on the map, click on it to see a pop-up window with the details of the maximum speeds available to this potential customer. In this example, you can see that at this particular address, the customer is eligible for service with a speed tier package of 110 megabit download and 11 megabit upload speed. These numbers will vary based on the signal available at a given address and the speed tiers your company can offer at various tower sites. Alternatively, you can click on the green icon if the Qualify button did not produce a serviceable result. To the right of the map, you will also see side profile graphs. Hover your mouse over the graph to show a crosshair along the path on the map that displays the corresponding position. Repeat this process to check any address for serviceability on your network at any time.